Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. We're starting out with an awesome Dollar Tree haul. Make sure you watch it all the way through. Look at these gorgeous baskets with ribbon on them. They have the pink, the lavender, yellow. They even have green, or it's, I guess, a greenish blue or bluish green color. Awesome. Then we have these headbands, rabbit headbands in the blue gingham, the pink gingham, the iridescent. Awesome, cool to put on your head for Easter, right? See, and there's that glitter ones, even glitter ones. Then we have these Easter gnomes and the pink and purple with the, what is it? What is that? Sequence. And then we have the blue and pink. And then we have pink and blue as well. Let's see, this is pink and blue. Ooh. And then we have the green and blue. So you have several to choose from. Easter. Nice. These are not just regular pumps. They are phone pumps. So if you like to put your soap in there and kind of have that foamy look or feel when it comes out, this is for you. And it's only $1.25, so you can try to see if you like the foam or not, and it's reasonably priced. Wow, name brand silicone food container, 23.7 fluid ounces, PBA free, dishwasher safe, oven safe, refrigerator freezer safe, microwave safe, and it measurements listed inside. And it comes, the only ones I found were the gray ones. Awesome kitchen items. Silicone lid. They had an 8-inch and they had 7 inches. And these gorgeous colors, blue, kind of grayish black, red, and it looks kind of like gray, but it's kind of grayish black. And these 3 colors for you to enjoy. Awesome. We have these matching dough scrapers, and it gives the measurements in the black, the gray, the blue, and the red. 1 cup equals 8 ounces, 16 tablespoons, 48 teaspoons, and 237 milliliters. I was going down the aisle and they were unboxing these awesome mini BioPure antibacterial hand wipes with aloe and vitamin E. And there's actually 20 wipes inside of these little containers. And they have a little hook so you can hook it onto your purse, a bag, a backpack. Anytime you need any antibacterial hand wipes. Awesome. I've seen other people seen the yellow ones, but my Dollar Tree only seen the green one. More of the infamous hand sanitizer, the dupes, the Touchland dupes. Now, this is my first time seeing these, and the blue one is Ocean Breeze scented with hydronic acid. Wow. And then the purple one or pinkish one is Passion Fruit scented with collagen. Wow, they're adding little extra stuff to these. Plus, on the end, you see the hand sanitizer case. This one is a blue one with a keychain. They only had 2 left, and there was one other person standing there. So they got one, I got one, fair enough. But these were at the cash register. I guess so many problems with people kind of 5-finger discount, if you know what I mean. So they keep these up at the cash register. So next time you go, make sure you even ask and see if they have them up at the cash register, because that's where some of them are keeping them. Bath Buddies by Bolero These are for kids. This first one is raspberry banana smoothie, and it's 8 ounces. The next one is peaches and sweet vanilla. Ooh. And the last one is strawberry watermelon swirl. I know I'm having a little time getting it out, but as you can see, there's 3 different hand wash soaps for the kids. These are reusable cup, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, PBA free. It's 3 cups. It's like those coffee cups that you get from Starbucks, and these are reusable ones. So if you want to help save the environment, these are reusable plastic ones, and you can use them instead of, they used to have the cups at Dollar Tree with the plastic bottom and the plastic top, plastic containers, but those are not reusable. These are reusable. So if you are a coffee fanatic or even tea fanatic, you can use these as an alternative. Wow, double filled chocolate sandwich cream cookies and chocolate sandwich cream cookies. And of course, they're dupes for Oreos. So if you don't want to pay the Oreo price, you can get their likeness at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Your best bet probably to get the double filled. That's what I would get if I were buying them. An awesome little game that's called Pass Play, the game of left, center, right. Does not tell you how to play, but I thought it would be interesting to show you. This is for ages 8 and up, and you can play it with 2 to 4 players. So it's a nice, you know, spring game, winter game, or whatever time of year you like to play games. Yes, now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. I will be showing you maybe 1, 2, or 3 or 4 Dollar Plus items. Enjoy! With spring coming up, this is a butterfly bubble wand, and it's 16.93 by 11.82 inches, requires 3 AA batteries, and they also a great little gift to go inside a Easter basket. Smashers Nano Jurassic Light Up Dino. Over 5 surprises inside, and it says it's 6 pieces. So it's so awesome. Another item you can put in an Easter basket or a spring basket. These are the 5 surprises and 15 to collect. The first one, they were all gone, and the second one is unbox and build a race car, and these are $5, and these are 9 to collect. And there's one more of the 5 surprise, and it's the pet rescue, and you can collect up to 7 of them. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Tell a friend. Like I always say, be blessed until next time, and be better than yesterday.